Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to take your trading to the next level, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into Lux Trading Firm, one of the hottest platforms out there for funded trading accounts. Stay tuned as I reveal Lux Trading Firm's top trading secrets, strategies, and what makes them stand out in 2024. Plus, I'll share actionable tips to help you maximize your gains with this firm. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Lux Trading Firm. Lux offers funded trading accounts with a unique approach to helping traders grow, whether you're into Forex, indices, commodities, or crypto. What sets them apart? Lux Trading Firm provides structured opportunities with scalable account options and a solid reputation for financial growth. Perfect for anyone looking to sharpen their trading skills and take advantage of real market conditions. One major highlight of Lux Trading Firm is the wide range of tradable financial instruments. They give you access to multiple markets, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, metals, and even stocks. Having this level of diversity allows you to tailor your trading strategy based on market trends and risk tolerance. My tip? Use their comprehensive set of tools to manage your exposure and diversify effectively. Let's talk about funding. Lux Trading Firm offers a variety of programs with different initial funding requirements. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced trader, their tiers range from £149 to £599. This means you can pick a program that fits your risk appetite and goals. Pro tip: start small if you're testing the waters, and scale up as you become more confident with their platform. Now onto leverage. Lux Trading Firm offers different leverage ratios depending on the asset class. For Forex, it's 110 to 130. For stocks and crypto, it's 1 to 5. While higher leverage can boost your profits, it also increases risk. So, always keep risk management in mind when setting your trades. Remember, leverage can be your best friend or worst enemy, depending on how you use it. User satisfaction is key when choosing a trading platform, and Lux Trading Firm scores big with a Trustpilot rating of 4.5/5. That's based on over 400 reviews. Pretty impressive, right? Users love their fast executions and reliable trading tools, including access to MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and Trader Evolution. Plus, their top-notch security measures ensure that your funds and data are safe. And of course, regulatory compliance is something you should never overlook. Lux Trading Firm adheres to strict regulations, providing transparency and security for all traders. Their encrypted platform and cybersecurity protocols keep your data safe, and their customer support is always on hand to assist with any issues. This level of regulation gives traders peace of mind, knowing that they're working with a trustworthy firm. If you found this review helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and comment below with your favorite trading platforms. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Another thing to love about Lux Trading Firm is their profit split model. Depending on your trading performance, you can keep a significant portion of your profits. And for those who love bonuses, they offer promotions and referral programs that give you even more value. Whether it's a deposit bonus or VIP benefits, these offers add an extra boost to your trading experience. So, to wrap up, Lux Trading Firm stands out for its variety of financial instruments, flexible funding options, strong leverage, and user satisfaction. It's a great choice for traders looking to scale up their operations in 2024. If you're ready to start trading with Lux, check out the link in the description for more details. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos on more top prop firms and advanced trading strategies. Happy trading,